In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Microsoft Outlook on your PC. Get ready to streamline your communication by having all your emails organized in one place. Let's dive in and get started with this straightforward process. First things first, we need to open the Microsoft Store on your PC. You might already be familiar with the app, but if you haven't used it much, you can easily find it by clicking on the Start menu and scrolling through your apps, or you can simply type Microsoft Store in the search bar next to the Start button. Once you locate the app, go ahead and click on it to bring up the store interface. Now that you've opened the Microsoft Store, it's time to search for Outlook. In the search bar located at the top right corner of the store, type in Outlook. You should see a list of results appear almost instantly. Keep an eye out for Microsoft Outlook or New Outlook, as that's what we're looking for. This version of Outlook is designed to seamlessly integrate with your Windows operating system, enhancing your productivity and user experience. Once you select Microsoft Outlook from the search results, you'll be taken to the app's main page. Here you can find more detailed information about the app, including its features, user reviews, and perhaps some screenshots. If everything looks good and you're ready to proceed, locate the Install button. It's typically right there on the page for easy access. Go ahead and click on Install, and the download process will begin. This shouldn't take too long, but it does depend on your internet connection speed. As the installation wraps up, you might feel eager to get started. No worries there. Once it's installed, you can either click on the Launch button from the Microsoft Store itself, or find the app through your Start menu. Either way, opening it will lead you to the sign-in page. The last step is signing in with your email address. Once Outlook launches, you'll be prompted to enter your email credentials to start managing your inbox. Simply type in your email address and follow the prompts to input your password. If you use two-factor authentication, you may need to complete the additional security steps as prompted. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and logged into Microsoft Outlook, ready to handle emails efficiently. We hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Now you're all set to access your emails from the convenience of your desktop. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support or check the extensive help resources available within Outlook. Thank you for watching and enjoy using Microsoft Outlook.